Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. I would like to wish you all a happy Dhanteras and have a prosperous new Samvat 2077. And now in this video, we are going to be discussing options, open interest data, and we are going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and framing a view for 17th November. And I like to remind you that 16th November, Monday is a holiday, so we would be having a short week next week, that is from 17th November to 20th November. Apart from the index, we are going to be discussing our stock watch list. But first, I'm going to be telling you about Digital Trading Floor. In order to access Digital Trading Floor, you just have to visit the website www.digitaltradingfloor.org, and once the website opens, you would be able to see all our recent blog posts. And to access Digital Trading Floor, you just have to click on this icon. You would be able to see two boxes. One would be telling you about what is Digital Trading Floor, and other box would be providing you an option for subscription. So we would be launching this platform on 14th November, that is tomorrow, on Diwali, and from 17th November we are going to be broadcasting our live stream of trades, what we are going to be executing in the markets. So you would be able to visually see what we would be doing in the markets. And we would be broadcasting our live stream from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. and the live stream is going to be public from 9:15 to 10 a.m. and after 10 a.m. it is going to be private till 3:30 p.m. So in order to access the private live stream content free of cost, you just have to use our Samco franchisee referral link. As you all know, I am an authorized business partner of Samco. So to access Digital Trading Floor, you would have to create a trading and demat account with Samco by entering your name, email, and mobile number over here. And once your account is up and running, you would be able to access Digital Trading Floor for free for 12 months after you open the account using my Samco franchisee referral link. If we analyze the open interest data for 19th November weekly expiry, you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls are at 12,700 strike, followed by 13,000 strike. And if we see the puts, you will see that highest amount of open interest lies at 12,700 strike, followed by 12,600 strike. So broadly, we are going to be trading in a range of 13,000 to 12,600 levels for the 19th November weekly expiry. And if you were to see what happened intraday today, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 12,700 strike, followed by 13,000 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts were written at 12,700 strike and 12,600 strike, which also are the broad open interest ranges for this weekly expiry. And you will also see that we saw open interest reduction in calls at 12,300 strike. So whenever open interest reduces, it just tells us that based on the price action, that call option buyers would have squared off their profits and call option writers would have squared off their losses, thereby leading into reduction at open interest at 12,300 strike. If we see the max pain level for 19th November weekly expiry, you will see that it has shifted from 12,650 strike to 12,700 strike. So if market were to expire on 19th November at 12,700 level, then option writers are going to be suffering the least amount of losses. If we analyze the Nifty price action on multiple time frames, you will see that market is under control of buyers on a monthly time frame above 11,697 levels. And on the weekly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 12,399 levels. And you will see that yesterday we had an inside candlestick and we broke the inside candlestick to the downside. However, we have reversed, and you will see that today's open was 12,659. So above 12,660 level, we had a situation of full time frame continuity to the upside, irrespective of the inside candle yesterday. That is, we broke the inside candlestick to the downside, but above 12,659.7 levels, which was today's open, we had a situation in which market was above its monthly open, weekly open, as well as the daily open, which resulted in market trading higher for the day, and we closed the day at 12,719 points on Nifty index. Based on the daily candlestick, we get the following scenario for 17th November, Tuesday. Above 12,719 levels, we can trade towards 12,735 levels, 12,769 levels, 12,813 levels. And on the flip side, below 12,655 levels, we can trade towards 12,607 levels, 12,573 levels, and 12,529 levels potentially. And conservative traders can refrain from making any trades in the index when it is trading in between 12,719 to 12,655 price range. Now we are going to be discussing our stock watch list for 17th November, and the stocks that we have chosen are ACC, Voltas, Cummins India, and Cadila Healthcare. And you will see that ACC is an inside candlestick, and above 1684.6 we'll look for buying opportunities, and selling opportunities below 1657.6 levels. And we would be refraining from making any trades in between the high low range of this day. And if we see Voltas, it's again an inside candlestick. So we look for buying opportunities only above 761.9 levels, or selling opportunities below 748.6 levels, and in between the this high low range we would be refraining from making any trades in Voltas. And third stock is Cummins India. It's an inside candlestick, so we look for buying opportunities above 482.1 level, or selling opportunity below 470.5 levels. And in between this high low range, we would be refraining from making any trades in Cummins India. If we see Cadila Healthcare, it's again an inside candlestick, and we'll look for buying opportunities above 432.85 levels and selling opportunity below 424 levels. And in between the high low range, we would refrain from making any trades in Cadillac Healthcare. So you would have noticed that all these stocks are inside candlesticks, and as you all know that inside candlesticks are formed when there is an equilibrium between buyers and sellers. So whenever we break either side of the range, we are going to be initiating trades, and we would be refraining from making any trades in between the inside candle range. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are broadly trading in a range of 13,000 to 600 level based on the overall open interest data, and potential short-term range for 17th November is 12,800 levels to 12,600 levels, and above 12,719 levels we can trade towards 12,735, 12,769, and potentially 12,813 levels, and below 12,655 levels we can trade towards 12,607 levels, 12,573 levels, and 12,529 levels. And max pain has shifted from 12,650 to 12,700 for 19th November weekly expiry contracts. So if market were to expire on 19th at 12,700, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. And I would also request you to see our blog post that we would be sharing in the description area of this video. We would be discussing the weekly scenario on what is likely to happen next week. And you have to remember that next week is a truncated week, and we have only 3 trading days, and we have discussed what is likely to happen in that blog post. So be sure to check out the description area as well. And the stocks that we have chosen are ACC, Voltas, Cummins India, and Cadla Healthcare. Finally, I would request you to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel. And you can also browse the description section of this video. There you would be able to find links which would be taking you to a video which describes Digital Trading Floor in greater depth. And you would also be able to see our recent blog posts, and you can also find information regarding various intraday leverage products that Samco provides to its customers. And once again, I would like to thank you all for watching this video, and I would request you to have a safe Diwali and happy Dhanteras, and wishing you all a happy Samvat 2077.